Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, where we bring you the latest insights and detailed reviews on the most exciting vehicles hitting the market. Today, we have something a little different for you, as we're diving into the world of two-wheelers. Yes, that's right, we're reviewing the much anticipated 2025 Honda PCX bike. If you're a fan of scooters, this is definitely one you don't want to miss. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Honda has always been known for producing reliable and innovative motorcycles, and their 2025 PCX scooter continues that legacy. The PCX has always been a standout in the scooter segment, offering a blend of style, performance, and practicality, making it a great choice for both new and experienced riders. The 2025 model is no exception, with a slew of upgrades that take it to the next level. Let's start with the design, which is one of the first things that catches your eye when you see the PCX. Honda has refined the scooter's aesthetic, making it sleeker and more modern while retaining that unmistakable sporty look. The bodywork is smooth and streamlined, with sharp lines that create a sense of movement even when the bike is standing still. The front end features a striking LED headlamp, and the rear has a stylish tail light, all contributing to the scooter's overall futuristic appearance. The 2025 PCX has a more premium look compared to its predecessors, thanks to its bold and sophisticated design elements. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda PCX is powered by a 157cc engine, which delivers a smooth and responsive ride. This engine is paired with Honda's trusted automatic transmission system, which makes for an effortless and enjoyable riding experience, especially for those who are new to scooters. The engine provides just the right amount of power for city commutes, with enough pep to handle highway speeds if needed. The fuel efficiency of the PCX is also impressive, which is always a big selling point for scooters. You can expect to get excellent mileage, making it an economical choice for daily commuting. One of the standout features of the 2025 Honda PCX is its advanced technology. Honda has equipped the bike with a fully digital instrument cluster, which displays all the information you need in a clear and easy-to-read format. You'll find details like speed, fuel consumption, trip info, and even a clock. The display is modern and futuristic, giving the scooter an added touch of sophistication. There's also a smart key system, which is a convenient and secure feature, allowing you to start and stop the engine with the press of a button, without needing to take the key out of your pocket or bag. The PCX's riding experience has been enhanced with a more comfortable seat and improved ergonomics. The seat is now more spacious, offering better comfort for both the rider and the pillion passenger. The handlebars are positioned at a comfortable height, allowing for an upright and relaxed riding posture. Whether you're navigating through busy city streets or cruising on open roads, the 2025 PCX provides a smooth and comfortable experience. The suspension setup has also been improved, ensuring better handling and a more stable ride, even over rough patches of road. Speaking of handling, the PCX features large wheels and a low center of gravity, which contribute to its impressive stability and agility. The suspension system is well tuned, providing a smooth ride over bumps and potholes. The braking system is also worth mentioning. With a disc brake at both the front and rear, you can expect quick and efficient stopping power. Whether you're weaving through traffic or making a quick stop at a red light, the braking system will keep you safe and confident. Another feature that has been improved for the 2025 PCX is its storage capacity. Honda has designed the scooter with a larger under-seat compartment, offering ample space to store your helmet, bags, or other essentials. This added practicality makes the PCX a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable commuter scooter with some extra storage space. When it comes to safety, Honda has made sure that the 2025 PCX is equipped with a range of features to keep you safe on the road. The scooter comes with an anti-lock braking system, ABS, which ensures that you maintain control during emergency stops. It also has a traction control system that helps keep the rear wheel from slipping, especially in wet or slippery conditions. All in all, the 2025 Honda PCX is a fantastic scooter that ticks all the boxes for both new and seasoned riders. With its stylish design,